There's a belief that's quietly costing driven, talented entrepreneurs weeks, sometimes months of very precious time. And the frustrating part about this is that it feels like the right thing to do, right? It's the idea that building a great website is how you get clients. And I understand the appeal completely because it feels like real progress. It's tangible. I have a website. It's creative. It's fun. And when it's done, you can point to it and say, hey, look, I built something. Look at this. But I want to show you today why that belief might be the very thing that's slowing you down and how to solve the website piece of your business in literally 3 minutes using AI so you can get back to what you actually need to do to grow your business. So stay with me here. I think that this is ultimately about a belief that trips up so many smart, capable people. If I build that great website, the clients will just naturally come, like a if I build it, they will come mantra. And look, it made sense once. Back in the early days of the internet, putting up a website was a legitimate way to get discovered. You showed up, right? People found you, leads came in. But that's not the world that we're in anymore. And it's especially not how high ticket offers work. So I want you to think about this. When was the last time that you invested 5 or 10 or more thousands of dollars with someone because you stumbled across their website? That's not how it happens. High tickets is relational. It's conversational. It happens when the right person sees you, trusts you, and gets on a call with you. Your website is a credibility marker. I'll give you that. It's your digital business card. It tells people that you're a real person, you're legitimate, and here's what you do. And that is valuable. It has value, but it's not your sales engine. You are your sales engine. So here's what concerns me when I see an entrepreneur who's pouring weeks and weeks or months and months into building a website from scratch. It's not the website itself, it's the opportunity cost. Every week spent on design decisions, platform choices, copy rewriting, page layout, copy and drag and drop. It's a week that they didn't do outreach, no conversations, not showing up where your ideal clients are actually hanging out. That's the real price of the website myth, not the website itself. The momentum you didn't build while you were building the website is the cost. And here's the thing. With the tools that are available today, there's absolutely no reason that the website should take more than a few minutes. And then I want to show you what I mean because I'll do a demonstration here today. I want to show you because one of the tools that we use here at Icon Maker and that we recommend is Go High Level. It has an AI website builder that is genuinely jaw-dropping. So you're going to see it. I'm going to show it to you. And it builds a clean, professional website in literally minutes. No coding, no designers, no months of your life down the drain. So let's go over to my computer right now. I'll share my screen and show you exactly how it works. Okay, so right now we are inside our Go High Level account, and what you'll do is navigate over to the Sites section of the CRM. Once you're there, you can see that under Sites, we can do funnels, websites, stores, webinars, and so many other things. We're going to focus on websites for today. And you'll notice that there's a big blue button here where you can create a new website, either from blank or from templates. But today we're going to focus on building with AI. You can see that it's a beta product at this point. And if you don't see this when you first log into your account, you'll go down to settings, look for labs, and you'll activate the beta feature. Once you do that, you should see this big purple button rather, and you'll click on build with AI. So as I click this, I'm actually going to get my clock set up, my stopwatch set up so we can time this, and I'll be testing this in real time with you for how long it takes. But once you're inside, you can see it says start creating your website page. You can do blank sections, insert elements, or generate with AI. So we're going to do the generate with AI because I find that it's a lot easier to get it built and then start editing from there. So today, we're not going to do all of the editing of all the copy and everything. We're just building the baseline of the website in a professional way in under 3 minutes. That's what our goal is. So we're going to use a fictitious person, and we'll call her Dana, Dana Reeves. Let me just get this. I'm trying to type beyond my microphone right now. Oh, there we go. Dana Reeves. Okay, just a fictitious person. And the business niche is coaching and consulting. And then what do we want to do? The goal of this website is to, we'll say, book appointments. And the target audience are small businesses. And what are you offering? We are offering a free consultation, let's just say. Okay, so let's set up our clock and we'll hit generate. And let's see how long it takes us. Oop, there's my clock. Let's see how long it takes to generate this website. I've done this several times now, and I'm always blown away by not only how fast it is, but how modern it looks, how professional it looks, how well the AI adapts to the information that you put into it. We've only just started this process here with a fictitious person named Dana Reeves, but you can imagine if it's you, and hopefully as a expert at what you're an expert at, you've done the foundational work of deciding on who your right fit client is and how to describe that person and what you offer and what you do in terms of how you generate leads. You've given thought to all of those foundational things. Now you're just popping it into the AI. And the AI is taking that information because, as I've just shown you, it's just the beginning part of the process. I can continue chatting with AI as long as I want. I could continue chatting with AI for the next, 10 or 15 minutes, and it's going to be a full-fledged website, authority, credibility website in literally minutes, as opposed to it taking weeks or months, which is the experience that I've seen through acquaintances, clients, other people that I've been connected to who very proudly share their website with me that does not look the way that it needs to look for it to be competitive in today's market. Not to mention the fact that it's not laid out professionally, because really most experts are not website experts. Boom. That took 149. We'll call it 1 minute and 50 seconds. 1 minute and 50 seconds, and we're at this stage. At this stage, we can see that there's some copy in here. We have our button to book our free consultation. Now, the logo is not our logo. We'd have to include or upload a logo into the media bin and then simply click and replace that in there. It literally takes 15 seconds. We have a menu at the top as well, about Dana, results, FAQ, process, how I help. We have a claim your free energy session, a strategy session. So again, if you have a form built out in Go High Level, you'd simply click this, choose your form, and boom, there's your lead magnet, right? There's your form. Book my free consultation can be as simple as coming down here and just putting in your Calendly or your Go High Level calendar link. Really, really simple. You can change the copy. You can do anything that you want. But look at how professional this looks. It has a testimonials and credibility banner. If you want to update that, you can do that. If you did not want to keep this section in, all you have to do is delete it. Or you can go into the layers over here and hide it. So if I go here and I want to just go here and say, maybe I want to just hide that section, I can hide it. So it's not deleting it permanently, it's just hiding it for now, because maybe you're not ready to update that, but don't hold yourself back. Get this website up, get it out there so you can move on to the task at hand, which is to have conversations and to build trust with people and to build connections, because that's what's going to help you fill your founder circle, what we call here at Icon Maker, getting your first 3 to 10 clients. So now if I keep going down, you can see it looks very professional, right? There's a picture of presumably Dana Reeves, okay? And if you don't like this picture, you simply come in here and you change the picture. It's as simple as that. Come down to the bottom, it looks really professional. It looks like a designer created it, and we did this all in 1 minute and 50 seconds. Book your free consultation with Dana, attach your form in here, boom. Let's just use, I'll just use our icon to our strategy. So I already have this built out in Go High Level, and this also only takes minutes, but you'd create a form, and now you can just come in here and you can attach it. It's as simple as that. FAQs, book your consultation with Dana. There's the form, and then off you go. So yes, you can now spend you've only invested less than 2 minutes at this point. You can spend the next couple of minutes, maybe 10, 15 minutes, updating some of these links, and it's ready to go. One of my mantras that I took with me from my journalism career was make it good, then make it great. My husband also lives by this mantra. And I think it serves us well as entrepreneurs as well. Make it good, get it out there. Don't spend weeks and months on this. Use AI, get the website up and running, and then tweak it as you go. So let me show you an example of some tweaking that I did on my own personal brand website, just to give you a sense of what it looks like after you've spent a few more minutes on it. I've got my logo up here that I replaced. I did change the font because I like this particular font, and I changed the copy. I put my own pictures in. I put my own links to subscribe to YouTube, right? And so I went in here and I embedded one of my YouTube videos in the subscribe button here. So I spent maybe less than half an hour, I would say, on this, and just updated some of the pictures, some of the copy, and again, made it good. And over time, I'll make it great. Right now, I've got to start the assessment, which is our Icon Maker Business Growth and Scalability Assessment here on this page. I really did not spend more than 30 minutes to do this. It's really remarkable. And so think about what you can do with your own website as well. Get that credibility marker if it's important to you, but don't do it at the expense of doing what actually will move the needle in terms of growing your business and really generating clients for your high ticket offer. It is really about relationships. It is about conversations and spending your time and energy doing that. So all that to say that don't spend weeks and months creating your website. Instead, if you have a high ticket offer, you're looking to grow your business, think about relationships, think about conversations, think about building trust and doing things that are actually going to move the needle for your business. And it's not creating a fancy website. AI can do this for you in literally minutes. Get it done. If it's important to you, get that credibility marker done and move on with the actual tasks and the activities that are going to move the needle and actually put money in your bank account so that you can start having the impact and serving the clients that you're meant to serve in your business. I also am loving a lot of the other AI features in Go High Level. So I've created videos on those as well, which I'll link to around this one. And I'll look forward to seeing you there next.